obubaka bwe katugende maaso butereevu osobole okubeera nga obufuna.
Aviation Fraternity, Chairman and members of the board, and colleagues, and I warmly welcome you all to this engagement breakfast, which is the climax of Uganda's Aviation Week celebrations under the theme
obutereevu Ssenkulu w'ekitongole kino ekya Civil Aviation Authority agenda maaso n'okwogerako eri abantu ab'enjawulo abazze mu nteekateeka eno era okwogera kwe kusinziira ddala kulaga wa Civil Aviation Authority weetuuse naddala mu nteekateeka y'eddima eddene gye bagenda maaso n'okuba nti bakola.
In 1944, which resulted into the establishment of the International Civil Aviation Organization, CAA. The week was first celebrated in 1944 to mark the 50th anniversary of the Chicago Convention signing. Honorable Minister, while this is the climax of all the weekly celebrations that involves you, our valued stakeholders, CAA has also undertaken other activities to mark the week ever since the week started. First of all, as you can see, we had a picture there where you might have seen people passing out. So we passed out 25 firefighters and marine trainees. And these are gallant citizens who are key to the security and safety of our airport operations. You know, our airport is by the waters, and therefore always you must have people ready to rescue people in the case of accidents. So we passed out of 25 very well trained people, firefighters and marine trainees. Then we also sponsored a number of sporting events, which included a Uganda Senior Golf Open and the Rwabshenyi Memorial Chess Championship and a netball gala in Entebbe. We are also holding the Uganda Air Transport Engineers Association workshop in Entebbe tomorrow, among others. Ladies and gentlemen, you remember that in 2012, during the Aviation Week, and as part of the celebrations of 50 years of independence, CAA and the new stakeholders afforded our people a rare chance of flying around Kampala for 50,000 shillings. In fact, we encouraged, and the turn-up was so good, and many were confessing that they had never seen the inside of an aircraft. So that was a very good activity for CAA and all of you stakeholders at large. Madam Minister, the mandate which you gave us as CAA and our roles include, among others, promoting the safe, secure, regular and efficient use and development of civil aviation inside and outside Uganda. 2, advising government in relation to civil aviation policy matters and international conventions. 3, regulating the air transport. Here, fellow stakeholders, you will know, even when we talk locally, that regulation of any type of industry is very important. Just 2 weeks ago, tragedy struck on our Lake Victoria, and most of the blame has been put on lack of adequate regulation of the water transport. So we attach a lot of importance on regulation of air traffic, like you know, since you are all stakeholders, and we strive to see that every operator adheres to the international standards. Next, we manage and develop airports in the country, and in this respect, we have 14 airports, and right now we are developing, together with the government, the Kabale International Airport in Hoima. And finally, among our mandates, we provide air traffic and navigation services, among others. Honorable Minister, our vision and mission. Our vision is to provide the safest, most efficient, and affordable air transport services. And the mission is to maintain the highest standards of safety, security, and service in civil aviation. In this context, Madam Chair, we have developed a new 5-year business plan, and was recently adopted to guide the authority's business. Distinguished stakeholders, we just want to allow me to take you quickly through how we have been performing this year, the air traffic performance. Performance of air traffic transport is majorly determined by the level of air traffic. I'm glad to inform you that in this year, in the year 2017, we managed to increase our international traffic passengers to 1,620,000 as compared to 118,000 in 1991 when we came into being as the Civil Aviation Authority. We have also, in the same year 2017, managed to transport 69,000 metric tons of cargo as compared to 6,600 in 1991. Madam Minister, in 2018, we have also witnessed improvement in international passenger traffic. During the period between January to October 2018, Entebbe recorded 120,000 passengers more than those registered in the same period of January to October 2017. Madam Minister, we have got 2 categories of air operators at Entebbe International Airport. We have got the scheduled and unscheduled operators. Currently, the scheduled operators at Entebbe are 18, and the non-scheduled operators are 26. CAA has granted air service licenses to 4 new applicants in 2018, including, and most importantly, the coveted Uganda Airlines, Kush Air Uganda, Yuga. And this gave us a lot of hope because Air Tanzania had also stopped operations like Uganda Airlines, but now they have resumed, and with us we are sure, God willing, we shall resume soon. Then Jumbo Jet, a low-cost carrier, started operations in February 2018. And there is Gold Jet Airlines, which is planning to get direct flights to UK via Accra next year. And then we also signed bilateral air service agreements with Canada, Israel, and Switzerland. And as a result, the Israeli Airlines is expected to commence flights to Entebbe in February 2019. And for those of you who are Christian pilgrims, this should be good news for you when you'll be just flying direct to the Holy Land. Madam Minister, as part of the mandate you gave us to advise government and to facilitate air transport, CAA has done a lot in the re-establishment of the national airline. We have given them many services, we have given them the appropriate certification licenses and even space in which they are going to operate. And we hope, if all goes according to order, by April, the Uganda crane will be up and flying. Uganda now joins Kenya and Tanzania among the 3 African countries to attend the ISO 9001-2015 standard. ICAO has set a deadline of December 2019 for at least 60% of the African countries to have attained the standards. Madam Minister, I wish to point out that such achievements would not have been possible if CAA and her stakeholders did not play ball as a team. So I want to thank you, dear stakeholders, for all the cooperation you have extended to CAA in general, and to me as CEO in particular, that is making all these things to happen. Thank you very much. Now, dear stakeholders and Madam Minister, every time we undergo audits by ICAO, and there are some salient weaknesses which they find and they tell us to correct, and we are